Alright data, welcome guys. Today I'm coming to show what is come. KASPA, KAS, price prediction. Riding the wave at $0.07295. From the bustling crypto forums of New York to the innovative blockchain labs in Tokyo, KASPA, KAS, is quietly making its mark. Today, at $0.07295, KAS has captured attention not through hype or flashy marketing, but by steadily proving itself as a fast, scalable, and technically innovative cryptocurrency. While many altcoins rise and fall on the whim of social media trends, KAS's story is different. Its foundation lies in the GhostAgg protocol, a technological marvel that allows multiple blocks to coexist, significantly increasing transaction speed and network efficiency. This unique approach has made KASPA an attractive option for investors looking for sustainable growth in a volatile market. Why KAS is moving today? Today's price movement is not random. Several factors explain why KAS has seen a modest surge. Technological innovation. Investors are increasingly aware of KAS's BlockDAG architecture, which promises high throughput and low latency. Unlike traditional blockchains where blocks are added linearly, KASPA allows multiple blocks to be processed simultaneously. This reduces bottlenecks, minimizes delays, and appeals to developers and enterprises seeking fast, reliable transactions. Market sentiment. The cryptocurrency world often moves on psychology. With Bitcoin and other leading coins stabilizing, investors are seeking promising altcoins with real technological advantages. Positive social sentiment around KAS, fueled by community forums and tech discussions, has nudged the price upward. The Fear and Greed Index shows optimism, suggesting that buyers are cautiously entering the market. Exchange activity and liquidity. KAS's listings on multiple exchanges have improved liquidity, making it easier for traders to buy and sell without large price impacts. Increased accessibility attracts new investors, naturally supporting upward price movement. A brief history of KASPA. KASPA's journey has been one of quiet innovation rather than headline-grabbing hype. Launched as a proof-of-work cryptocurrency, it quickly distinguished itself by implementing the GhostAgg protocol, allowing blocks to be processed in parallel. Early milestones include network stability, consistently handling high transaction volumes without major slowdowns. Community engagement, a growing base of developers and investors committed to the network's success. Technical recognition. Analysts and blockchain enthusiasts have noted KAS's scalability advantage over many Layer 1 competitors. This combination of technology and community has positioned KAS as a coin with long-term potential, even amidst broader market volatility. Technical analysis, simplified for everyone. For readers who don't speak chart language, here's a simple breakdown of KAS's support and resistance levels. Support, around $0.071 to $0.072. This is the floor where buyers tend to step in, preventing further drops. Resistance, between $0.074 to $0.077. Sellers often take profits here, temporarily slowing upward movement. Consolidation zone, $0.072 to $0.074. When price moves sideways here, it's preparing for the next significant move, either up or down. Technical indicators like RSI and moving averages suggest that KAS is currently in a neutral zone. This means the market is waiting for a trigger news, adoption, or volume increase to decide the next trend. Short-term outlook, next few weeks. Traders watching KAS closely may see the following scenarios. Bearish scenario. Market-wide declines could push KAS toward $0.069 to $0.070. Neutral scenario. Price stabilizes around $0.072 to $0.074 as the market consolidates. Bullish scenario. Positive news, new exchange listings, or adoption milestones could push KAS toward $0.077 to $0.080. Volume spikes are a key signal. When more people buy, prices tend to rise quickly. Watching the trading volume can give early hints about which way KAS is heading. Midterm outlook, 6 to 12 months. KASPA's performance over the next year depends heavily on adoption and ecosystem growth. Use cases. As developers build applications on KASPA, transaction volume will rise, creating natural demand. Community growth. A larger, engaged community provides network security and stability. Exchange expansion. New listings and higher liquidity can attract institutional investors. Analysts suggest that KAS could realistically reach 9 to 12 cents by year-end, assuming continued adoption and positive market conditions. Long-term outlook, 2025 to 2030. Looking further ahead, KASPA could see substantial growth. Technological edge. The block DAG approach gives KASPA scalability that competitors lack. Broader adoption. If enterprises start using KAS for real-world applications, demand could increase significantly. Market cycles. Bullish market phases for cryptocurrencies generally lift promising altcoins higher. Long-term price projections range from 15 to 25 cents, with optimistic scenarios suggesting even higher if adoption accelerates rapidly. Community sentiment and psychology. KASPA's investors are notably disciplined and tech-focused. This has a stabilizing effect. Investors are less prone to panic selling. Positive news spreads organically through community forums, boosting morale. Skepticism ensures that surges are based on substance, not hype. This kind of psychology helps KAS weather market volatility better than many altcoins driven solely by speculation. Key takeaways. Current price, $0.07295. Short-term range, $0.071 to $0.074. Midterm potential, 9 to 12 cents. Long-term potential, 15 to 25 cents. Reason for recent rise, technology, market sentiment, and exchange accessibility. KASPA is quietly carving its niche. It may not dominate headlines like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but it offers a combination of technical innovation, community engagement, and growth potential that makes it worth watching. Investors paying attention today might find themselves ahead when KAS makes its next move. KASPA in action, real-world adoption and community pulse. While many altcoins rely solely on speculation, KASPA is quietly earning its reputation through practical utility and community-driven momentum. Developers worldwide are experimenting with KAS for microtransactions, gaming applications, and decentralized finance. These small but tangible use cases create the foundation for larger adoption trends in the future. One notable example comes from a tech startup in Seoul, which integrated KASPA for fast peer-to-peer payments within its mobile app. By leveraging the Ghostag protocol, the startup achieved near-instant transaction confirmations, a major improvement over conventional blockchains. Stories like this may seem small, but they highlight the practical edge that KASPA holds in a crowded altcoin market. Community sentiment also plays a huge role. On forums and social media, KASPA enthusiasts actively share tips, discuss technical developments, and celebrate milestones. This type of organic engagement often translates to market stability. A strong, informed community can resist panic selling and create a natural support system for price growth. Technical insights made simple. For those who don't read charts daily, here's what KAS's price activity is telling us. Support and resistance. Support, $0.071 to $0.072. Resistance, $0.074 to $0.077. Volume trends. Recent increases in trading volume often precede short-term price movements. Observing spikes can provide early clues for bullish or bearish swings. Moving averages. 50-day MA is currently acting as a gentle upward slope, suggesting moderate bullish momentum. 200-day MA shows stability over months, indicating long-term investor confidence. RSI Relative Strength Index. At around 55, The RSI is neutral, meaning neither overbought nor oversold conditions dominate. The market is poised, waiting for a catalyst. KASPA may not dominate headlines like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but its technology,